Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to Sue's Cooking and Outdoors. I'm going into the bush to install my camera with its solar panel. I'm going to go all the way down there if I can get there because I don't have my snowshoes on. I want to try it without the snowshoes. And today we are March the 3rd and it's about -10 out. So come and join me while I walk. Thank you. This is close. I've seen this track the other day in the yard. Now close behind the barn. I do not know what it is. It is not fresh. Another track. Don't know if it's coyote. That's where I was the last time in that part of the bush where the camera is facing. My son has 3 cameras in there. One over there a bit, and the other 2 is here. And so far he's seen with the camera that only takes photos a coyote, turkey. So the animals are starting to move. When I went the last time for a walk I saw some tracks. And now I'm coming across more tracks here. It's that big track again. I don't know what that is. It's a large track. Well, I have to say I'm in a skidoo track and it is easy to walk on it because the snow has been patted down. So far, so good. Now I'm into the second part of my bush area. My intention is just to go over into the bush over here. But I do not want to cut through because I am fine in my skidoo track. So I did notice that walking in the second part of my field that there are no animal track crossings. Only in the first part. So I am not too far from where I want to go. It's just over there somewhere. Some tracks. Could be a deer. It's a good sign. So I got my camera set up, my solar panel. And I got it here facing the field because there's some coyote tracks. So I'll see if I can get the coyote. These tracks are right here. And they don't look that old. So it could be the same coyote that my son saw in his camera. So now I am on my way back home. Well, I am back home. I'd like to thank you all very much for walking with me. Until next time, you all have a great day. Stay safe and stay warm. Bye bye.